Hi students. Now in my part 4, fourth class of permutation and combination, today we shall start combination. In my previous class, I told you what is combination. Combination means selection or choose. You have to select or choose. I told you. Now I am just reminding you again. Suppose there are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. There are 8 letters from English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We have to select 3 letters. Then we can select 3 letters. We can select A, B, C, B, C, D, C, D, E, D, E, F, D, E, F, E, F, G, F, G, H, like this. We can select like this. That is, all selection is combination, and total number of selection is selection. That is the combination. Single combination is this is single combination, this is single, and total sum of the selection is combination. Now let us explain few properties on selection. Suppose there are n different things. We have to select r things from n different things. Select from number of combination of n different things. You have to select, you have to choose, take r different things. This can be done in CR way. Number of things is n. You have to choose or select r things. This can be done in CR way. Suppose you have to select n different things. At least one can be chosen. There are n different things. We can select one, at least one from n. This is number 1 in CR way. Number 2, there are n different things. We have to choose or select at least one. This can be done 2 to the power n minus 1 way. Number 2 property. First one, from n different thing we have to select or choose r different things. That can be done in CR way. From n different things we have to select at least one. We have to select at least one. That can be done 2 to the power n minus 1 way. Property number 3. Number combination from n different things from r at a time. From n different things taken r at a time, such a way that one particular is always occur. So number of things is n. You have to select r thing such a way that suppose p particular thing always occur. In that case, we can do n minus p CR minus p way. Because there are n different things, you have to select r thing such a way that p particular thing always occur. That in that case, p particular always occur means, suppose we have to take p things from n things at first. The remaining n minus p and remaining r minus p places, that can be done n minus p CR minus p way. And another one, from n different things we have to select r things. From n different things, number of combination of n different things taken r at a time, such a way that p particular thing never occur. In that case, n minus ECR way. Why? because P particular thing never occur means you have to think that number of P things is not there. Therefore, number of things is n minus P. From n minus P, you have to select or choose R thing, that is n minus PR. Always keep in mind, always occur then n minus P CR minus P, and never occur n minus P CR. And another one, first one, from n different things you have to select R thing, that is NCR way. Now let's do sums related these properties. Sum number 1 is given here. How many way 11 players selected from 15 players? Number 1 question. There are number of players is 15. You have to select 11 players. That can be done. Number 1, 15C11 way. You have to write from 15 players we can select 11 players, P11C15 ways. That equals to 15C4 way. That we can break it, factorial 15, factorial 11, factorial 15 minus 11. We can do this and this equal, that is 15 into 14 into 13 into 12. That is, we can multiply, we can get answer is 1365 ways. Sum number 1. Sum number 2, one of them must be included. That is, we have to take at first. Included. One of them must be included means we have to take at first that. That is remaining 15 minus 1, that is 14. Remaining 15 minus from 1 must be included means we have to take at first that. And one of the included, that is 15 minus 1, that is 14C, and from 11 you have included 1 before, that is 11C 10 way. I am telling again, such a way that that's property number 2, from 11 players one of them must be included means you have to take at first that one, that is remaining 15 minus 1, 14 players, you have to choose 10 players. That is that because one of them included at first. That is 14C4. That is 14C 11. One of them must be included. That is 14C10. 14C10. 14C4. 14C4. You have to 4. 14C4 means 14C4 means 14 into 13 into 12 into 11. That can be done 14 into 13 into 12. 14 into 13 into 12. 1001 I think. 14 into 13. 182 or 182, 14 into whatever comes, I think this is 182, 14 into 13, 11 into 12, 12, 12, 132, 132, 182, 132 into 182, that is the answer. Now, sum number 3. Since one of them must be excluded. Excluded means it is not there. That means we have to take 14C11 way. I am telling property number 3. One of them must be included. You think that player is not there. Now therefore from 15, one player is not there. That is 14 players. Out from 14 players you have to choose 11 players. That in 14C11 means 14C3. 14C3. That is 14 into 13 into 12. 14 into 13 into 12. 14 into 13 into 12 is 364. 14C4. 14C4 means this divide by This divide by 4 means 4 into 3 into 2. 4 3s are 12. It is 7. That is 91, 91, 101, 1010, 1001. And this is 3 into 2 into 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 13 into 14 into 26. 14 into 26 is 364. 364 ways. Next, sum number 4. Two of them being leg spinner, one leg spinner must be chosen. Therefore, sum number 4. Two leg spinner, you have to choose one leg spinner, that is 2C1 way. That is 2 way. So from 2 we have chosen 1 first. The remaining is 13. So from 13 you have to choose 13C10 way. Because from 15 players you have taken, from 2 players gone, that is 13 players remaining, and 1 player chosen before, that is 11, from 1 minus 1, that is 10 way. That is 13C3, that is 13 into 12 into 11 by 3. That is 13 into 44. 13 into 44 is 286. Therefore, total number of selection into 2. 286 into 2, that is 572 way. That's all. Next, sum number 2. Sum number 2 here. Out of 5 boys and 4 girls, a committee of 5 to be formed. We have to choose a committee of 5 members. Total number of boys is 5 and the number of girls is 4. We have to choose 5. Total number of boys, total number of girls is 4. Committee of 5 members you have to choose. Show that no more than 2 girls. So here girls and boys, no more than 2 girls, but it should not be more than 2. That is, girls may be 2, then boys will be 3, because we have to choose 5 members. Girls is 1, boys will be 4. Girl is 0, boys will be 5. So here this is our selection, because number of girls should not be more than 2. It should not be not more than 2. Number of girls should not be more than 2. That is 2, it may be 2, maybe 1, maybe 0. So now we have to choose from 5, number 1, 5 boys, you have to choose 3 girls. That is 5C3, and from 4 girls you have to choose. You have to choose 2 girls. That is 4C2. Number 2, 5C4. 5C4 into 4C1. 3, 5C5 into 4C0. That is the total number of way. 5C3, 4C2. 5C3 is 10, 4C2 is 2. That is 4C2. Factorial 4, factorial 2, factorial 2. 4 into 3 into factorial 2. 2 to cancel. That is 6 ways. That is 2 into, that is 60 total number of ways. 5C4 into 4C4. 5C4 is 5, 4C4 is 4. That is factorial 5, factorial 4, factorial 1. That is 5. So that is 20 way. And 5C5 is 1 and 4C0 is 1. That is 1. That is 81 ways. Total number of selection is 81 ways. That's all. Next, sum number 3. Sum number 3. There are question number 3. There are 15 points in a plane. Four points are collinear. 4 points are collinear. Find number 1. Find number of straight line. Find number of straight line. Number 1, number 2, number of triangle. So question is, there are 15 points in a plane. 4 points are collinear. Collinear means 4 points lie on a straight line, and 15 points like this all are not collinear. So first of all we have to do, number of straight line could be drawn taking 2 points. We can draw a straight line taking 2 points. So from 15 points, number of straight line could be from 15 straight line and 15 point. It can be done, 15C 2 way. But here, 50 out of 15 points, 4 are collinear. So from 4 points, how many straight line could be drawn? Number of straight line from 4 points equals to 4C2. 15C2 means 15 into 14 by 2 into 1. That is 105. Number of straight line is 15C2. That is 15C2. That is 105. Wait. And 4 from 4C2 means factorial 4. Factorial 2, factorial 2. 4 into 3 by 2. That is 6 ways. But 4 points are collinear. So therefore we can draw only one straight line. So therefore actual number of straight line equals to 105 minus 6, because this will not be a straight line. This will be one straight line. Because 4 points are collinear, we can draw only one straight line. This will be subtracted. That is 1. Because 1, this point will be 1. That is 106 minus 6. That is number of straight line will be 100. Now next question. Number of triangle. How many number of triangle could be drawn? Now we know to draw a triangle we need 3 points. From 3 points you can draw a straight triangle. Number of triangle would be drawn from 15 points. 15C3, because 3 points we can draw 15C3. 3 points you can draw a triangle, that is factorial 15. 15C3 means 15 into 14 into 13 by 3 into 2 into 1. 3 5s are 15, 7. 65 into 7. 455. That is number of triangle is 455. But here 4 points are collinear. So we can draw number of triangle. Number of triangle. Now triangle from 4 points is 4C3 way, because 3 points makes a triangle. 4C3 means 4. That is 4C3 factorial 4 factorial 3, that is 4. But this is not possible. 3 points are collinear. we can draw a straight line here. So this should not be a triangle. Therefore, actual number of triangles should be this minus this. Therefore, actual number of triangle equals to this should not be a triangle because this will be a straight line. Therefore, you have to subtract this 455 minus 4, that is 451. 451 is number of triangles. Actual number of triangles 451. Okay. Next, sum number 4. Find, question number 4, find the number of way, find the number of way of select 9 balls from 6 red ball and 5 blue ball. If each selection consists of 3 balls each, 5 red ball and 6 red ball, 5 blue ball and 5 white ball. If each selection consists of 3 balls each, 3 balls means we have to select 9 balls. So from red ball you have to choose 3 red. From 6 ball you have to choose 3 red ball, that is 6C 3 way. 5 blue ball you have to choose 3 blue ball, that is 5C 3 way, and 5 white ball you have to choose 3 blue white ball, that is 5C 3 way. I'm telling again, we have to choose 9 balls, select 9 ball from 6 red ball, 5 blue ball, 5 white ball, and each selection consists of 3 balls. So from 6 red ball, 3 red ball could be chosen, 63, and means multiplication. From 5 blue ball you have to select 3 blue ball, that is 5C3, and 5 white ball you have to select 3 white ball, that is 5C3. That actual answer is 6C3 means 20, 5C3 is 10 into 10, that is 2000 way. Sum number 5. In how many ways? Question number 5. In how many ways? In how many way? In how many ways can one select a cricket team? Can one select a cricket team of 11 players from 17 players, in which only 5 players can bowl? If each cricket team of 11 must be included, of 11 must be included 4 bowlers. Eleven can bowl. So in how many way can one select a cricket team of 11 players? You have to select 11 players. Total number of players is 17, in which 5 players can bowl. So that out of 17 players, batsman is and bowler. Batsman is 5 player can bowl. The 12 is batsman. Batsman is 12 and 5 player can bowl. There is 5 players can bowler. If each cricket team 11 players must be included 4 bowlers. There are 5 bowlers. We have to choose total 11 players and total player is 17. So here we have to select 11 players from. So this can be done 12 cricket 12, that is 5. You have to choose 11 players. Total player is 17. There is bowler is 4. So bowler you have to choose 4. Therefore total player is 11. Then batsman should be 7. And total number of players is 17. So from there are 5 players, 5 bowlers. So you have to choose 4 bowlers. From 5 bowlers, we can select 4. That can be done 5C4. That is 5C4 way. 5C4 means factorial 5 factorial 4, that is 5. And from 7 player is remaining, because total player is 12, because 17 total players at first. From 5 we have chosen 4. The remaining is 12 is there. From 17 minus 5, that is from 12 players, we can select. From 12 we have to choose 7 players. That is 12C7 ways. That is 12C7 means factorial 12.